Moen Genta bath sink faucet. Aerator needs to be replaced. Have parts but cannot remove aerator with given tools.
Do you know the model of your Moen? Have you talked to a plumber yet?
Genta, no.
How long has this been going on with your Moen sink? What have you tried so far?
Since purchase. Have parts from Moen to fix.
Is there anything else the plumber should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hello, I'm Michael. The first can help you remove your aerator.
Thanks, it is a Moen agents. Genta. Customer attachment June 28, 2021 8:46 and 52 seconds p.m. Customer attachment June 28, 2021 8:47 and 1 second p.m. Customer attachment June 28, 2021 8:47 and 6 seconds p.m. See pictures sent.
Okay, in the diagram I'll provide a picture. You'll want to remove the throat cover. In the picture it can be gently pried off, then that will uncover Allen keys that will remove the aerator. Here you go. Any more questions, just ask. Have a great day.
What tool to pry off?
A small thin screwdriver or a small pick tool. Careful not to scratch the finish.
Allen wrench provided doesn't fit. Customer attachment June 28, 2021 8:59 and 36 seconds p.m. I think I have the wrong aerator kit.
Remove the Allen keys and compare the two aerators. Follow up with me.
I don't have tool to remove. My faucet is the two-handle Genta. According to parts diagram, they sent me correct aerator parts. But it looks like your diagram is actually what I have, and according to Moen it is the single-handle faucet. Very frustrating. I will order correct parts from Moen.
You will need Allen keys to remove this aerator, and as you mentioned, the correct parts. Thanks for using JustAnswer.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.